Immerse yourself in the vibrant atmosphere of Akko's Old City Market. This bustling bazaar is a sensory delight, filled with colorful stalls offering a variety of spices, fresh produce, traditional sweets, and handmade crafts. Don't miss the fresh fish brought in daily by local fishermen from the nearby marina. As you stroll through the narrow alleyways, the aromatic scents and lively sounds capture the essence of Akko's rich cultural heritage. Whether you're searching for a unique souvenir or simply soaking in the local flavor, the Old City Market is a must-visit destination in this historic port city.